Hi, I'm Philip Kazan. I'm one of the co-founders and CEO at Verkada. At Verkada, we're building the world's best video security system. What that means is no NVRs, no DVRs, just a software-driven solution that delivers modern security to your building. Let me show you how it works. When you log into Verkada Command, you'll see one single dashboard where you can view all of your cameras all around the world. What's amazing about this dashboard is it works on any device. So if you're on your tablet on the go, you can view your cameras and monitor the situation. All of this works with no network configuration. So you don't have to worry about logging into VPNs or setting up firewall rules to make the system work. When you zoom in on the map, you'll see a floor plan. And on this floor plan, all of your cameras will be laid out within your building. Clicking through any one of them will pull up the live video. So let's take a look at that. Here we can see one of the cameras that's outside of our office in San Mateo looking at the street. You can see the cars driving by and people walking by, and that's really what that live view up top of the page is about. Now, as I scroll down the page, what you'll see is a history view of the camera, which captures everything that the camera has recorded. And we store up to 120 days of that history. What's awesome about the history view is that it's broken down into hourly chunks. And so for any given point in time, I can hover my mouse and move it from left to right to see everything that was happening at that exact point in time. It's a very, very easy way to browse the camera's history and find out about the incidents that occurred. Now, we wanted to actually take it a step further, and so with that we introduced motion search. I can scroll back up to the top of the page and highlight any region of the frame to find out exactly what happened at that spot. So for example, if I highlight the crosswalk in this scene here, I will instantly get results of all the cars and people that crossed through the spot that I highlighted. What's awesome about this is I can also set alerts to be notified about any activity in any particular region. Let's switch gears a little bit and take a look at one of the cameras in our office. Imagine you wanted to see everyone who've entered and exited your space. For this, we've developed a feature called Face Search. With Face Search, you can pull up a list of the individual faces of people entering or exiting a camera's view. So as I scroll down the page now, I can see everyone who's appeared in frame. If I click on Scott, I can now pull up all the times where Scott entered and exited the frame. Last but not least, I wanted to show you just how easy it is to share access to any Verkada camera in real time. With just a click of a button, you can send an SMS message with a link that gives temporary access to any number of users in the world. On the receiving end, it's just a link. You can pull it up on your phone, view live video, browse the history, and in emergency situations, respond in real time. If you have any questions, or if you'd like a free trial, please contact us at sales@verkada.com. Thanks for watching.